Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find Booking.com promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and type in Booking.com promo code and the year you're in. So for this example, I'm in 2024. This works for any years, future years. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And from here, any one of these websites will work. So I'm going to click on the Glamour one from glamour.com, $129 off. But there could be better ones, 15% off, 20% off. Just going to go with this one. And look here, so save 30% off with this promo code. So I'm going to go show coupon. And then, save 30% on with this promo code at booking.com. So I want to copy code and visit store. So this will take me to booking.com. And now if I go ahead and find my next place to stay, that code is already activated. So yeah, that's it for this guide, how to find a Booking.com promo code. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.